it would be chaos, insecure, and exhausting. And isn't that exactly what happens with people? Yun, yun na. Dito pa tayo pupunta sa part na, yes, we give everyone direct access to our core systems, di ba? Their requests, their demands, their questions, their negativity, their positivity, emergencies, run rampant in our mental RAM, di ba? Like, ang dami mong tabs parang ganun. Siguro mga around 97 or 100 tabs na siguro naka-open sa imong utok. They can query your insecurities database 24/7. No authentication required. Kaya pala, no wonder we feel so drained. I think a huge part of our spiritual and personal growth is defining your life's API. So what are the endpoints you're willing to expose? Ano yung gusto mong expose sa buhay mo? Ano yung mga endpoints mo? What are the rules of engagement?